Welcome back, students. As you can see here, today we're going to talk about exercise 4.4, and for that you will have to know some concepts earlier before certain questions. So in this particular video, I'll tell you about some conditions. Now I'm zooming in. You can see the first word, it is discriminant, comma d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now you may be thinking, what is discriminant? This is actually the name given to that formula, b square minus 4ac. Look, this word is new for you, but that formula b square minus 4ac, you've already used this in exercise 4.3. Recall that quadratic formula. Your quadratic formula was this one. I'm zooming in. X equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Isn't it? From this formula, if we just talk about that part under that root 1, under root part, b square minus 4ac, if we simply talk about this, then we get discriminant. Okay? Now that you have understood that one, you have to know about three conditions. Conditions are these three. First one, two distinct real roots. We'll get two distinct real roots when b square, that means the discriminant, when this discriminant is greater than 0. And we'll get two equal real roots when the discriminant is equal to 0, and we'll get no real roots. You will understand all this once I give example. You'll get no real roots when our discriminant will be less than 0. That means minus, and there are many conditions which I'll tell you in details. That's regarding these conditions. Now, regarding first condition, to understand this, I'll give you some example. I'll give you one equation, something like 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. See, this is our quadratic equation. From here, what will be our a? 2 b minus 6, our c will be 3. Now we know a, b, c, and we also have that. We'll put this in the discriminant formula. So if we put this here, b square minus 4ac, what is our b? Minus 6. Okay, then minus 4. What is our a? 2. What is our c? 3. So if we solve this, it will be minus 6 into minus 6. This will be minus 36, isn't it? Nah, not minus. Plus 36 minus 4 to the 8. 3 is 24. So 36 minus 24, what will be our final value? This will be 12. So here you can see, this 12 was the value of whom? This was the value of this one, b square minus 4ac. So here we can see that, we can say mathematically that b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Why? Because this 12 is greater than 0 or not. Okay, this 12 is greater than 0, and if this is greater than 0, this also is greater than 0. So now put this logic there in the condition, you'll understand. Okay, similarly for equation 2, for conditions 2 and 3, you will get to know as the question proceeds, as we'll do some questions. All right. Okay, now I'll start some question. Which one shall I do? I shall be doing Roman number 2. 4.4 Roman number 2. This is Roman number 2. 3x cube minus 4 root 3 x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, let's see what they are asking. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations if the real roots exist. Find. Okay. If the real roots exist, that means what? When we get either this first condition or second condition, we'll have to use this discriminant method and quadratic formula. Okay, all right. I'll begin. Here, this looks just like our. Sorry, this is square, not cube. This looks like our. This is in the standard quadratic form. Okay. Here we have A. Here we have B. Here we have C. So I can write. Here A is 3, B is minus 4 root 3, C is 4. Okay, now put this in discriminant. Discriminant equal to, our formula is what? B square minus 4ac. What is our b? In this case, that's minus 4 root c. Okay, and we have square minus 4. What is our a? Our a here is 3. What is our c? 4. So what we can do here? See, here we have this root, and this calculation is easy. This one, first of all, we have to square minus 4, minus this and this whole square. That means this separately. So multiply minus 4 2 times first. Minus 4 into minus 4, that's minus 16. Isn't it, Tunisha? Nah, not minus 16. This should be 16. Then between this and this, we have into. So either you can give into or you can directly multiply. Okay, I'll give here just for simplicity, for your comfortability. This is finished. Now this one, root 3 into root 3. This is 6. No, not 6. This is 3. Okay. Then minus this, very easy. 40 is a 12. 12 4 is 48. So this will be 48 minus 48 equal to 0. Now that we have got 0, we'll see this particular case matches with which condition? Which condition? First or second? First one was greater than 0. Second one is equal to 0. Yes. Here our discriminant is equal to 0. Now what will you do? We can write therefore given equation have two equal real roots. Okay, but not yet finished. You have to find the exact zeros roots. Now what will I do? Now I'll put that formula, quadratic formula. Therefore x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Look, here I have written this just for your understanding. Actually, I don't need to write this. I just can directly write the d discriminant. But okay, since this is the first time I'm writing here, okay, I can put this value now also, or I'll first finish this case, then alright. So whatever, this time I'll still write this one plus minus. Okay, forgot to write this. Okay, then plus minus is there. Then what is our b square minus 4ac? You see here 0. Don't remove root now. 0. Okay, then okay, instead of writing this 0, you can put a d also here. Okay, d, then 2a, and then here now you can put all the values. Now what is our b? B was minus that one, this one, and here before b we also have minus. So how we will write here? Minus 4 root 3. Okay, then plus minus, what is our d? D is 0, so you can give 0 here. Then from here you can draw the line. Remember that we have minus here, just because of rule copy, these things comes up. Okay, then 2, what's our a? Our a is 3. Then you can solve this. From here it is very simple. Okay, I'll do here. Minus is plus. Minus a is that one. Minus is plus. So now what will remain is just 4 root 3, then plus or minus a. With 0 we don't need to give this root. It's just like 1. From 2 only we'll start giving root, and here 2 3 is 6. Okay, now what will happen? Like the one you did in exercise 4.3. Look here, 4 root 3 plus minus 0. It means before 0 we have plus minus. Okay, so we will write taking this positive term, taking negative term. See here, taking positive term. What I will do? X. This everything was the value of x. So what I'll do now? X equal to that one, 4 root 3 4 root 3 plus 0 by 6. Now what will be our value? 4 root 3 by 6. You can cancel 2 3. So the ultimate value will be 2 root 3 by 3. Okay, similarly here we can write taking negative term. What will happen if we take negative? Raise same except that sign. X equal to 4 root 3 minus 0 by 6. So this will be 4 root 3 by 6. We can still cancel. So 2 root 3 by 3. So what is the value? Final value? 2 root 3 by 3. 2 root 3 by 3. And at the beginning, did we get this one? Therefore, the given equation is 2 equal real roots. What will be equal real roots? You will get real numbers. Okay, real numbers. And it's just the collection of all the numbers. And equal means both the roots will be equal. You see here, 2 root 3 by 3, 2 root 3 by 3. This is how you should be doing this type of question. Okay, first of all, whatever equation they give, get A, B, C from there. Then put them in the discriminant formula, p square minus 4ac. This is just we have taken out from that one, from that quadratic formula. and then you can write given equation of two equal roots. Then you will use this bring mean formula, quadratic formula, and in this formula minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. In that b square minus 4ac, don't put fresh values again. You've already done here, no need to waste time again and again. I have seen many students doing this twice. First of all, they will do here also, then they will do here again. Just a waste of time. So after that, you'll go on solving, then you'll get two equal roots. That's all for first question.